Trip is going fine, although you're really delinquent for starting to film now after we've been on the road for about 36 hours. I put my pants on before you start.
Okay. Lee, anything to say? Co-host? Kingfish?
Oh, we're looking for those 4 kissing tons of these kings. We got 4 going on this boat, right? We got 4 going out, I believe.
Yeah.
We're gonna catch a couple $100 of fish this weekend.
Yeah, odd. That right there is what we'll be doing. Not looking forward to that. A little bit of the landscape here in Ketchikan. It's a pretty depressed community, as you can see.
Did you get a shot of the Plaza Shopping Center over there? We gotta go outside and give them a shot of. Well, it's Saturday the 15th. We're in Ketchikan. There's Mark eating sunflower seeds. This is the Ketchikan Harbor. And this is the cheesy Super 8 where we're staying. That's our room right there. That's the harbor down there. I guess those are cruise ships down in the town. This is inland. And that's out towards, I guess, the ocean. We're about an hour away from our float plane trip, which this man here is really looking forward to. And every now and then, these planes come in and out of here, land on this water, which seems to frighten him to no end. There goes one. I can't get this. You got this thing got a zoom on it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, here we go. We got this plane taken off.
Yeah, I'm concerned.
Oh, there goes by the ship. So, we're here. We just saw in the news it's about 122 in Philadelphia with a heat index. Here it's kind of overcast. I guess, I don't know, can you see the, what happened here? I'm not very good at this. You can see sort of the mist on the mountains. It's cool. It's in the 60s here. It's great. Oh, there's a plane. It's going to make people sick to watch this. I guess there's lots of float planes that come in and out of this harbor. And today will be our first day of fishing. Last night we got in around, I don't know, after a 30-hour trip it seemed, we got in late and did things. He doesn't know whether I'm actually recording this now. Oh, here goes one. Also, it should be noted in connection with this scene here that as we got on the plane in St. Louis yesterday, Blankenship was there with yesterday's edition of USA Today. The feature article on page 3, which we're going to save for posterity if we survive this trip, is an article on the recent rash of fatalities in connection with Alaskan float plane trips. Needless to say, this man here was not buoyed by that.
I'd like to give Joe's response, which is, what do you have to live for anyway, Mark?
All right, you make me laugh. Shake the camera. Okay, we're signing off now, and
I want to get a shot of
oh wait,
Mr. Shaver.
Correctly. Oh yeah, here are 2 of the people who put this trip together, who we will be bringing a class action suit later because of the various omissions that they have. I can't get this thing. There we go. All right, that's it for now. The next thing you'll see probably will be the float plane. Here's a shot of a bunch of quintessential tourists staring up a bridge in downtown Ketchikan, looking at fish, which I don't know whether you can see or not. Oh yeah, you can see them. Hey, I see them. I get the zoom on this thing now. See the salmon? These are salmon that are coming up the, what is this here, Jerry?
What?
The Ketchikan River? Yeah, good enough. The Ketchikan River.
Absolutely. Historic Ketchikan River.
And this out there is like the, I don't know what the heck this is, the harbor. Big, huge cruise ships that are in here. in this town. Here's Hume and Blankenship. This is the only radio station in town has a tower. We're here on a bridge. That's a good shot. Beefy catch kind of when we're walking up behind us.
Okay.
Right.
Oh my god.
Here we are. Mark's worst fucking nightmare about to come true. Death on a float plane.
Right now.
Scan this spacious cabin.
This guy's afraid to get on the ski lifts here.
Generate more revenue.
Mark,
Joe,
in case they recover this tape, would you like to...
out the window. I want somebody to see.
How scared you were? You want your kids to grow up thinking you were a brave man? Not cowering in the face of death?
Let's just say our confessions right now.
Right. Maybe if you get a tape confession, they'll give it to a priest. That way you'll be absolved. Let's get a shot of our pilot having a pint of vodka up there.
Emergency gears in the tail of the airplane. It's another smoking flight, and we'd like your seatbelts fastened throughout the flight. Did everybody get their seatbelts okay? Yeah. All right, to release those,
Here we go. Tension so thick you can cut it with a knife. Wanna say goodbye to your kids? Bye, guys. How you doing? Doing great. Mark.